Here's a controversial truth. You don't need a six-figure salary to build wealth. You need patience and $300 a month. Everyone wants the shortcut. Crypto flips, hot stocks, side hustles that 10x your income. But what if the boring plan wins? No hype, no genius moves, no market timing. Just $300 every month starting in 2026 for 30 years. Sounds slow. That's why almost nobody does it. Meet Alex, 25 years old, average job, average salary. No rich parents, no secret investing skills, no trust fund. But Alex makes one unpopular decision. Instead of upgrading lifestyle, Alex upgrades investments. That extra $300 each month, it goes into the market. Every single month. No excuses. Here's the deal. $300 per month. 8% average annual return. 30 years. No panic selling. No, I'll pause this month. That's it. Simple. Almost too simple. Now watch what happens. Year 1. Alex invests $3,600. The account is slightly higher than that, but nothing exciting. Year 5. Total invested, $18,000. Account value, around $22,000. Not life-changing. This is where most people quit, because it feels pointless. The growth looks small. But this is the trap. The first phase is supposed to feel slow. Year 10. Total invested, $36,000. Account value, around $55,000. Pause for a second. That's almost $20,000 earned without extra work. Alex didn't hustle for it. Didn't ask for a raise, didn't work overtime. Time did the heavy lifting, and now the machine is warming up. Year 15. Total invested, $54,000. Account value, about $105,000. 6 figures. Half of that isn't Alex's money, it's growth. This is where people finally start paying attention. But here's the irony. The real magic hasn't even started yet. Year 20. Total invested, $72,000. Account value, around $177,000. It took 15 years to hit 100K, then just 5 more years to add another $77,000. Read that again. 5 years added almost as much as the first 15. This is compound interest. It starts slow, then it hits different. Year 25. Total invested, $90,000. Account value, roughly $295,000. Almost 300K. Now year 30. Total invested over 3 decades, $108,000. Final account value, about $447,000. Nearly $500,000. From investing what many people spend on food delivery and subscriptions, over $339,000 of that came from growth, not effort, not brilliance, time. Now here's the part most get-rich-quick gurus won't tell you. If Alex increases that $300 over time, just a little, with raises, with inflation, that $447,000 easily crosses $1 million. Stretch it to 40 years? It's not even close. It blows past $1 million. Wealth doesn't explode because you're smart. It explodes because you stay in the game. The real advantage wasn't $300. It was starting early. Most people delay investing for when I make more. That delay costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. Time is expensive. Waiting is expensive. Consistency is boring. But boring builds freedom. Right now, there are 2 25-year-olds. One increases lifestyle with every raise. The other increases investments. 30 years later, they might both look successful. Only one owns their time. If this changed how you think about money, subscribe to Inkwell Wealth. We keep it simple. We keep it honest. Because clarity builds capital. I'll see you in the next one.